Okay, here we are given the following geometric series up until 20 terms. They say which up until we go to 20 terms. And then the question is saying to us, we should tell them which, we should write this in a sigma notation. Now, what does a sigma notation have? It has the sum letter, the letter S, and then it has the value that we substitute to get the first term. Now, when we write it in sigma notation, it's wise if we start with n, here n is equal to 1. And then here, this is the value that you substitute to get the last term. If they say up until 20 terms, you just put 20. Have you started with 1 here? As long as you started with 1 here, the number of terms and this one here are exactly going to be identical. And then here, what you put your Tn. Now, what is your Tn? How do you get your Tn? They said this is a geometric series. Geometric series, you get it by saying Tn is going to be equal to A R n minus 1. Where A is the first term. What is the first term of the series?
It's 5.
It's 5. And then you still have to calculate R.
Yes.
What is your R?
3.
It's term number 2 divided by term number 1. Which is going to be 15 divided by 5. And you say you get 3.
Yes.
So you get 5 multiplied by 3 and minus 7. And then now instead of writing Tn here, you can come and erase this one and say, okay, here we have 5 multiplied by 3 and minus 1.
Yes.
And then this is how you write your sigma notation. Now, if they said to you, you should also, let's say, usually I'm a question, it's an examination question. If it's an examination question, and then when you started, let's suppose which you also had,
Equal to.
they asked you to calculate the sum on the previous question. You will tell them which, okay, the sum of the following series is, then you write the sum. You don't have to calculate the sum if they didn't ask you the sum before. If they just say write it in sigma notation, this is more than enough. But if you had number A, they asked you to calculate the sum of the first 20 terms again. Now you already have the sum of the first 20 terms. You just tell them, okay, it's 7,200. Let's say you put 7,200. So you say the sum of the following series, it's going to be equivalent to this. But if you haven't calculated the sum, you only write the general term, you write the value that you substitute to get the first term, and you write the value that you substitute to get the last term. And then you are done. So as an activity, we have the following. I think let's sample, let's not do all of them. Let's do number A. Let's do number B. Let's do number D. B. Let's do number D. Let's do number. Let's do number 2. Let's do, yeah. Let's do 1, 2, 3. And this one. Yeah, in your class books. It's a 5. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Basically, you're supposed to do all of